Today we'll be making a dairy-free cake that has been around since the 1930s.
As a result of not having milk or egg during the Great Depression, this cake was born.
It is so fabulous tasting that it has stood the test of time as one of the greatest cakes in America, so we decided to give it a whirl. Here's what you do. Combine 1½ cup of flour, 1 cup of raw organic sugar, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and finally a ½ teaspoon of salt. Now use a fork or whisk to stir your ingredients together. Now you make 3 divots for your vanilla, your vinegar, and your vegetable oil. As you can see, I chose a ladle to do my divots, but really you can use anything. Now, to make it easy, we pre-measured these 3 ingredients into their tiny little bowls. Then pour 1 cup of hot water over the whole thing. Using a fork or whisk, stir this until all ingredients are completely combined. In my opinion, I think that the whisk was much smoother and not as messy as the fork, so I switched over. I almost forgot. I don't know if you've noticed, but you do all your mixing in the actual cake pan. So hey Mom, 1 less dish to dirty up. Alrighty then, your oven should already be preheated to 350 degrees, so pop that baby in. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Now, on to the icing. In a bowl, you are going to combine 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I personally found it just a tad bit bitter, so instead of adding more raw cane sugar, I thought I'd try something new. It's called organic coconut sugar, so I added 1 tablespoon of that and it did the trick. I let the cake sit for about 15 minutes before I put on the icing. It's really thick, so you have to be very, very patient spreading it around. Bada boom, bada bing, but it's missing my special touch. So let's be honest, it needed a little pop of crunchy color. Hope you enjoyed this old-fashioned tradition. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers, mate.